Welcome to the instructions video for the Bend Allowance Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you determine the exact flat pattern length needed before bending sheet metal. By accounting for material stretch and compression during the bend, you'll get accurate blank sizes every time. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter 4 key values. First, input the material thickness in millimeters. Let's use 2 millimeters for our example. Next, enter the inside bend radius, which is the radius of your punch or die. We'll enter 3 millimeters. Then select or input the K factor, which represents where the neutral axis sits within the material thickness. For most applications, 0.4 works well. Finally, enter your bend angle in degrees. We'll use 90 degrees for a standard right angle bend. Once all values are entered, click Calculate. The result shows your bend allowance, which is the arc length you add to your flat dimensions to get the correct blank size. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out to help with your next project.